Oregano plant, agrowplants.org, also known as wild marjoram. So this plant is perennial evergreen, but in cold climate can grow also as annual. The leaves are fragrant and grow in variety of climate, Mediterranean, temperate, subtropical, and it means a hardiness zone from 4 to 11. Except this, if you want to grow it, you have a link below and you can just click this. It's in the description and just buy it. Okay, so the leaves, it's the most crucial things. They are edible, and also the buds are edible. So it's also possible to use the buds, but better to harvest it before the buds. So it means that the harvest season can be all the year. But if you want the best harvest season, if you don't have so much cold winter, it can be in the early spring. If you have colder, in the end of the spring. I harvest here in the beginning of the spring, and if it's not too much hot in the spring, I can harvest again in the end of the spring. Except this can be also in the autumn, especially if you don't have too much hot summer. If you have too much hot summer, the leaves are not very good. And here also we can harvest in the early winter. This is great for harvest. Except this, you can also always dry the leaves. You just put them over the sun. Slowly it will dry. Don't put them in a closed box. After you finish to dry, 100%, you can put it in a closed box. I prefer glass. I chop it a little bit, that will take less place. So requirement of growing will be dry and warm climate and a little bit cooler winter. Well-drained soil, it's very important. And a place to grow to the widely. Because if you just let it grow up, it means that most of the variety are smaller. So it's mean 20 to 60 centimeter, but mostly it's go more to the 20. It means 8 to 24 inches. So if you don't let it grow widely, so it means that it's not really grow, and of course harvest all the time in order that it will regrow itself. A planting season can be all the year in a hotter climate. In a colder climate, will be from the spring to the summer. As annual, it will be in spring. If you can prepare it a little bit in the greenhouse, so in the end of the winter, will be great. Do not overwater. It can really suffer from this. Average amount of water or even small amount of water will be enough. Grows the best in full sun. If it's too much hot, also half shade. It's good because then it's bloom less, and then you can use the leaves and cut it all the time, because the flower just destroys the leaves. Blooming season, it's mostly in the summer or even in the end of the spring. The flowers are small, insignificant, in purple color. Better in the moment that you see the flowers, just cut it, no point of this. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website and like this video. If you have any questions, just ask, or you would like a video, also you can ask. Check for more video, follow us on Twitter, and of course you have here a link to buy the plants that we talk about, and also down.